Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Arabella Hair. I love the packaging here. It looks really luxurious. I got the wig obviously in a bag with goodies. I got a pair of lashes, a edge brush and comb, a elastic headband, a pair of wig caps, and a cute little clip. Now this is today's wig. It is their Pure-Luxe Ash Blonde with dark roots ombre colored blowout in wavy pre-cut 13x6 lace ultra dense glueless wig. That's such a long title, but it also has a drawstring in the back. As you can see, it has 3 combs on the inside of the cap, and the lace is bleached. It does look so well constructed. It is well constructed. I was actually very excited for the drawstring in the back. I've never had a blonde wig with a drawstring so far, and honestly I do love how secure these wigs are. This is also glueless. Did I mention to you guys it is glueless? So I love that, and we're about to get into a glueless install. It was very easy. As you can see, I went ahead and adjusted the elastic band, or the drawstring rather, in the back of the cap. You guys know the vibes. Once I adjust the knobs in place, then I tuck away the excess string beneath the cap. Very easy, very straightforward, and very beginner friendly. Now I go ahead and I cut away any excess around the ear portion, just so that the wig cap can sit more comfortably around my ear. I got this little Ziploc bag with tapes, lace tapes. Went ahead and applied one of that at the sideburn portion, so that that area will stick and not, you know, flap. And that was very easy to do, and that's all you need. That's all it is to it. No adhesive nor nothing needed for the rest of the lace. Okay, so you literally slip on, apply your tape, and you're ready to go. Look at that, glueless. Super easy, super convenient. Now I just proceeded to pretty much styling the wig. Got my PETITE-SUE wax, hair wax, and before I went ahead with my hot comb, I went ahead and parted through the wig, like the lace front portion, just so you guys see that there is quite a bit of space to work with this wig. Yes, so if you want to do like different styles, feel free to go ahead and do that. I actually did 3 different looks today with the wig, but first I'm just, as I said, going through the top with my hot comb, just because you guys know I love the top of my wigs to look really nice and flat and laid. You know, it definitely just looks more realistic, and I love that. So that's all it is to it. Before I went into any of the looks, I pretty much got my curling iron, which you're gonna see in a few, and I went through the wig thoroughly and curled it, just refreshed the curls. As you can see, the curls that it came with is still there, but I still felt a little extra and wanted to go in. I did add some layers, as you can see, to the bang area, just so that it could frame my face in the front a little bit more. It wasn't as layered in the front, so I went ahead and did that. Also, I did get shedding from the wig, so please note that. All right, there definitely was shedding, and the hair, you can feel that it is processed. As you can see, this is a blonde wig, so yes, it is a bit on the coarser side, but the construction of the wig itself is really nice. So this is pretty much where I just took my time and went through the entire wig with my curling iron.
Stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you
once I was done, this is how I'm looking. Those curls look so good. And so for the first look, I went ahead and did like a little half up, half down with my claw clip. Very straightforward. I left those two little bangs in the front. I think it was so cute. Yeah, so that's pretty much look. You see, literally takes seconds.
You take me higher, baby. Take me higher. You take me higher, baby. Take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So for my second look with this wig, I went ahead and did an updo. So I got entire back portion and I got the claw clip again, gathered that, and that's how we're looking. So easy. All the looks are so easy today, guys, pretty much.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing.
And once I was done with that, I did my final look, which was just the regular center part bust down vibes, you know, just pretty much ran my fingers through the curls and it just had that effortless blown out curly vibe. Love that. Love. But yeah, if you want this blonde wig, this ash blonde wig for yourself, the link will be down below in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. Shout out to Arabella Hair once more for today's gorgeous wig. That's it for now. Please check the description box for all the necessary information, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.